everyone, this is Jessa Brapao, isang licensed real estate agent and IT graduate all the way from Bohol. So right now, we're here at BCO Tagbilaran City kasi mag-claim lang naman tayo sa another Cheque lang naman. So good news po, grabe po talaga, katas lang naman sa ginagawa nating online system and of course, proven and tested na HYPERSONIC system of exclusion worldwide. Kaya tara! Good morning. Morning, ma'am.
Congratulations, Tessa.
Thank you. And here it is, my another cheque worth 43,480 pesos and katas lang naman sa ginagawa naming HYPERSONIC system of explosion worldwide sa kaka-Facebook namin, kaka-online, kaka-Reels, TikTok, at YouTube. Grabe po talaga. Thank you so much, HYPERSONIC system of explosion worldwide. And of course, thank you, Father God, dahil another blessing lang naman na binigay niyo po sa akin. And of course, ginagawa lang namin ito through Facebook. Kasi lahat na makapanood dito sa video na to at sa sinong makasend ng video na to, don't hesitate to message me or comment how below para ikaw na naman maturuan kung paano yung ginagawa naming online system. Kaya be part and be the next. And now, pupunta tayo sa video to encash my cheque. Let's go!